Hello guys, in this video I will show you I built out a complete Vue.js Adobe Acrobat kind of a editor directly in browser using which you will be able to verify or validate your PDF documents, edit your PDF documents directly in browser. So this is actually the overall project here. I have given the link. You can actually purchase the full source code. So if I show you the package.json file, we are using the jsPDF library for building this PDF editor similar to Adobe Acrobat, and we are using the latest version of Vue, as you can see that. So I'm just running this application on the command line. So you'll see npm run dev. So this will start a local development server at localhost 8080. So once I open this application, this looks something like this. So now here you will actually add your PDF document, whatever PDF file you want to edit. So once you select this, so this is a single page application. All the processing is directly happening in the browser. So once you actually see the live preview of your PDF document, all the pages will be there. And now you have all these features. You can read the PDF file. You have all the controls, zoom in, zoom out, and you also have the control to digitally e-sign your PDF file. So you have this button here. So here you can either digitally sign using your signature, or you can also upload a image file of your signature as well. You click on confirm that signature, you can place it accordingly like this. You can just see here how easy it is to place your signature. Then we also have the option to add a picture, text. So if you want to add your picture, you can add a picture by just selecting the image. So once you can add multiple images, you can just place it accordingly. Then you can basically adjust the size here. You can just see using your mouse. So if you're interested in purchasing this project, guys, it's entirely built in Vue.js. The link is given in the description. You can place it, you can move to the next page. So this is the first page. You just click the pages section. This will show you the total number of pages. So I want to now edit the second page. I go to the second page, then I can actually add a text here. So click on confirm that text. I can place it accordingly. You can just see how easy it is. You can edit this as well. So then we also have, if you want to add the picture as a watermark, what you can do, you have this section of watermark. So you simply click this, and now this will be added as a watermark, as you can just see here. So now this is added as a watermark. So you can also add watermark as well. So after you modified it, you can simply click on confirm. So this will create the output file for you. So now the file will be created. So now if you have the option here, just click download. And here you can even encrypt your PDF file using a custom password as well. So here you can write your password. So I can just write a simple password here. So to encrypt your PDF file, so now the output file will get downloaded and it will be encrypted. So now you just need to write the password, and then the file will open and it will actually contain the actual images, the digital signature, and this is the watermark which is added, the text which is added. So in this easy way, this is actually Adobe Acrobat clone that I developed entirely in Vue.js. So this application runs entirely in the browser and we are running it in the local host. It's also very easy for you to deploy this as well. So it's an entirely project. If you're interested in this, you will get all the source code. So entire component, as you can see, each component is divided into its appropriate Vue.js file. So everything is customizable. So once you get the source code, it will be easy for you to modify the source code or add additional features on top of it as well. So we are using the jsPDF library. So if you're interested in this, guys, the link is given in the description. So it's a fully featured PDF editor, something like Adobe Acrobat. And here you can go to the actual file here, add more modifications, digitally sign, add text, images, everything. It's a fully fledged editor. So if you are interested in this, the link is given in the description.